All right, we found this book at the store, Gay Tales. It was 50 cents. And this is a World War II 1911. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's recording. I think I missed the first time.
Second one was right in the middle.
I think I missed the first time. That right there is the hit. I might have hit over there. Idiot. Anyway. Gay Tales. Gay Tales into the Suns. That's kind of gross. I think it blew right through this thing. That's a 40 Smith & Wesson we did earlier. Here it is. Or the jacket of it anyway. Then the third book. That's the round ball nose, because that's definitely the round. No, that's.
I think that's the old one.
Well, so. You think that's it? It's hot. Yeah, that fell out of here. That's hot. That is a 230 grain round nose reload with bullseye powder. About 800 feet per second. Went through Gay Tales into the Suns, and it was caught in Webster's Dictionary. In here. Made a big cavity. So yeah, 45 will hurt you.